Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and create a free website with Canva. So let's not beat around the bush and hop straight into it. So first thing you want to do is create an account, or if you already have an account you could log in, but I'm just going to sign up. For this video I'm just going to use temp email, but if you have an email just plug it in, but yeah, I'm going to use temp email. So I'm going to copy this, continue with email, and now you just want to write your name. I'm just going to use a random one, and now it has sent a verification code to your email. So now you want to go to that email and find it, and here it is. So you just want to copy and paste, and there we have it. We are logged in. So now you want to choose what you're about to do. So you can just go small business, and you can just go maybe later, and now we're in. So if you don't know what Canva is a great place where you can do graphic designs, you can make a logo, you can make a lot of crazy things with Canva, and you can do it all for free. But in this video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and create a website. So now that you're logged in, you want to go create design. Actually, sorry, you can go here and search up website. So yeah, this is the results after searching website. As you can see, there is different type of ones, and for this one is a pro version, so this one is not free. So you want to look for ones that don't have this money sign or this crown sign. So this one here, for example, you can use that one for free, but I'm going to find one that is a good one. So this one, it looks interesting, so I'm going to click this one, and this one I can use for free. So I'm just going to go customize this template. And now look at that, that is a great design. And now once you're in here, you can change all this stuff. But if you have a logo, you would want to upload it to your section here in uploads, and then once you have uploaded it here, you can drag it in here and move it around to where you want it. So now all you got to do is change it until you like the website. So I'm going to just name this version 2, and now you just want to make this look nice. I'm just going to put that up. That looks pretty cool like that. And now I want to create, say, the greatest. I'm going to edit this image. Maybe I can put some behind it. There's a few things you can do to create this website. You can just change this, and you go position backwards, and you can move that like this, move like that. And now you want to change this to a nice color, maybe a gray, maybe just a white. And that looks pretty cool, like just like that. And now we just added it and changed it, and to make it like you just want to put your product in there and change everything until you like it. So now I'm going to change this color. Maybe I can make that a green. That's probably not a good color, probably just simple gray. And you can just change this to maybe like that. And now you want to put your product description. So if you have a cool product, you can make a nice description right here. And now I'm just going to put a few bullet points here that I just wrote up just then. Just something simple like that. All new technology. Headphones that deliver an immersive sound experience with crystal clear audio. Speakers that bring your music to life with powerful bass and crisp treble. Crafted with passion and attention to detail for a truly unique listening experience. And now that is done, I'm going to just leave this here, and I want to go down to here, shop by category. I want to make this a bit a different color, maybe like that color. Probably not that color actually. Make it a, what does red look like? Probably not red too. Probably just go back to white. That looks pretty good. I'll make that bold. And I'll probably put something in the background. So FX, not that one. Yeah, probably that to make it more poppy. That looks good like that. And then you just leave this here. That's great like that. Expert support. And now you just want to put all that in. So that's pretty much it. And that is how you create a website on Canva for free. Now you just want to go share, and you can either download. You can download it in all these different file types. I'm just going to do PNG, and you want to click download. Now once that is downloaded, you can click open, and then now you have all these photos specifically designed for your website. Products, home, and that is how you can create a website with Canva for free. Now I'm going to create another one real quick just to show you a bit more information on how to design a free website with Canva. So you want to click website. Let's see this one. So make sure you're picking a free one again. Just remember that. So these are pro and these are paid. So I'm going to make sure I'm clicking a free one. I'm going to click this one. So you just want to click customize this template. So I just picked this one. This one's about real estate. So I'm going to design this a bit different and change it around a bit. So I'm going to leave that. I'm going to change this photo in the background. Let's search up mansion. Oh, so you want to do it in elements. And you want to go to the photos here. I want to probably pick this one. This is a free one. And you want to make that big. And that looks good like that. So I'm going to change this here. I'm going to keep it like that, but I'm going to make it more poppy. So you want to click bold. And you want to click effects and do this. And then put that up. I can't really see that still, so I'm going to change the effect. So maybe that. And put that like that. Put that more like there. Transparency. I want to change that to black. And you want to put that probably like there. And see, now you can see that clearer. And I'm going to do the same here. And now you can see that better as well. But I'm going to put an element here as well. I'm going to cross that. Put it here. Get rid of that. Now change this color to black. Maybe different color. Maybe gray. Yeah, gray looks alright. And there you have it. That page is done. And you can change this. You could get rid of that. Right, graphs. If I could spell graphs. And then you go to photos. Or you can go to graphics. That's a pro version, but you know, make sure you get a free one. Let's see if we can find a free one. Maybe we can put that here. Change that and go to kitchen, photos, look for one that is free like this one, and do the same things with the effects here, and there you have it. And that is a great way you can create a real estate page for free and turn it into a website. And as before, you just want to go download. And you could either download it in all these different file types. I'm just going to download in PNG for you. Click download. Now once it's downloaded, you can open it and let's have a look. So that one's that page. I want to go selling points. Or maybe home, sorry. See, that's the one we designed. We changed the background. We put it like a nice little logo there and made it more poppy. And we put that graph there. So yeah, this is how you could go ahead and create a free website with Canva. If you enjoyed this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. It would mean a lot. And until next time, thank you. Bye.